shit, it's so foggy out today. I don't know if the camera actually picks up the fog, but kind of, hey, I kind of stopped here, what the hell? Maybe it's just in my house, it's all the ghosts. Ooh, it's fucking cold. I don't know why, but I decided it'd be a good idea to take the thermal lining out of my jacket. It was not a good idea. It's fucking not a good idea. What temperature is it? I forgot this bike tells me the temperature. 9 degrees apparently, that's fucking bollocks. 8 degrees! Oh my god. That's still bollocks. Well, I don't know. Doesn't really want to work with my left hand. Back in business, boys. Oh, look at the fog there, that's nice. Oh, look at it. Fuck me. Oh, the fog, make a way down to the foggy town. Foggy town to the van, up round. Oh, it's colder. It's colder in the fog. Oh, jeez. Ooh. Jesus Christ. Wee. Can you really over the bridge?
Warrior.
Oh. I chopped the throttle and I hurt my little willy. Oh, I hurt my friends. Sorry friends. Now boys and girls, that's why you don't chop the fucking throttle. I got scared, okay? I'm still only learning the old wheelies. Ow, that hurt my mangina. Yeah, it's been such a long week this week. I had something on at work yesterday. Basically, I'm on like a, because I just finished college, I'm on like a grad program. You know, for graduates obviously, because it's a grad program. And there's literally no different from a grad program to an actual, like, you know, employee, except for we're paid a little less and we don't have the same job title. But we had to give a debate yesterday, which is, they're just so strange. Like, if they give a debate, 10 of us on a panel with a room full of people and debate a topic. And it was very, very weird. We won, thankfully. But it was just very strange. It's like, you know, I'd rather not be doing this, I'd rather be in work. So for any of my, oh, my mirrors, that's how cold it is. My mirrors are fogged up. I could have stopped and take a photo. That would be nice. This is potentially all ahead of us doing shit like this. A lot of companies do actually do it, but until you're in the company, you're like, this is bollocks. This is so stupid. But it's all done now. I need to get petrol. Oh. What did I say? I started the vlog the other day wanting to get petrol. One thing I hate about driving in fog is you still have a lot of cars that aren't actually stick lights on. And people don't give the extra look that you kind of need in fog, because cars and anything, especially bikes, bicycles, anything small, can just fucking disappear into fog. Like, look how thick that is. You can't even see, like, there's a telegraph pole in the middle of that and I can't even see it. Obviously you can't because you don't know it's there, but I know it's there. It's only now that I'm working full time I see how hard YouTube is to keep, you know, just to keep doing it, and that's why there is a lack of videos. And it's not like me being lazy or me not arsed, it's that, well, no, it is me being lazy and me being not arsed. You know, working the hours I work, like I'm up at 5 every morning to get into work. You know, it's about 5:30 or so by the time I'm home. Dinner, shower, then relax. You know, and I don't particularly want to be on my laptop. I want to be spending time with Mrs. Dragon while I have it, because, you know, we work different hours and shifts, and so, you know, I want to spend as much time with her as possible. So it's hard, man, it's hard, just, you know, getting the balance, and it's going to take a while to kind of do the balance. I know I've been working now full time for like 10 months or something like that, but, you know, there's more to life than, you know, YouTube and work. And a lot of people that I work with seem to forget that. They spend so much time in work, and it's like, you know, when you have your own fucking families and your own lives, because you're going to be retired, and then you'll be like, what the fuck is the point of that? What's all this shit? You know, look at all the shit I missed, and I'm just, no, fuck that. You know, you work the same hours as everyone else, you put in as much effort as everyone else. Sometimes you might put in a bit more, sometimes you might put in a little bit less, that's fine. But, you know, your expectations of you are like, you know, fuck everything else, let's focus 100% on the company and the work, and it's just, no bitch, no. Fogging up again, because I know I have a lot of younger subscribers that are like probably still in school or going into college, and you know, maybe they haven't worked a proper job, they have a summer job. You know, I was the fucking same. I was literally working the same job 2 days a week for 3 years just through college. It was fine because there was actually not that much expected of me, in the sense that I wasn't putting like the same challenges and tasks as the other staff, because I only had 2 days to do it. Yeah, I don't know why I'm being all philosophical. What? I don't know why I'm being all philosophical. I don't know why that came out fucking weird. I don't know why I'm trying to be all philosophical this morning. The normal like saying of do what makes you happy. You know, I am happy working. I'm happy getting paid. I get paid like decent. So I'm happy that I get paid. I'm happy with my bikes. I'm happy with my life. I'm starting to travel more at Mrs. Dragon. That's another thing I wanted to actually ask about. Basically, I'm going to park that now. Do what makes you happy. Fuck the world. Free Willy. You know, all that Gandhi stuff. But I've been doing a bit of travelling, like especially just around Ireland with Mrs. Dragon. Just because it's something to do. It might only be a day trip somewhere off. But for those who don't live in Ireland, Ireland has such a cool heritage and a cool history behind it. You know, even from a religious point of view, like I'm not religious in any way, shape or form, but you know, like the churches and the stories with them are just so cool. Like all the cathedrals and all is really, really cool. But you know, for those who don't know about Ireland, Vikings is a big thing in Ireland, and there's a lot of that shit here, obviously, but it's so cool to actually see and hear the stories behind it. So we've been doing a lot of traveling, and I'm not a vlogger, you know, like with the camera and whatnot, like pointing at my face and whatnot. But I don't know if that's something that you would be interested in seeing. I'm kind of half tempted, and not even just to do like a face reveal, but just to kind of show my face. This is me. Hello. Because I'm finding that it's actually stopping me from doing a lot of stuff. Like my sisters or my friends might tag me in a post on Instagram or something, and I have to tell them to take it down because I don't want people to see my face. You know, like that's very unfair. I find it's restricting me a lot. So that's why I've been thinking of doing it. But also in another video I mentioned that I might be doing bike reviews. You know, that could potentially lead on to other stuff. You know, that's how stuff starts. And I don't want to be hiding my face for it, because, and it's the same thing with I say most of you probably watched Baron von Grumble. He was doing a few videos like that. I think he was doing one with Guy Martin, and he had the balaclava on his face. He was just saying how much of a dick he felt like. I'm really planning on doing like a really like cringy face reveal of like a background story, and then right at the end I pop out something like that. I just think it'd be so funny. And I know like a lot of people probably get it, and a lot of people just be like, well, this is fucking sad. You know, it is just under 1,000 subs. What a sad old, because all the people that do that have like, you know, 1 million subs and whatnot. Yeah, that's kind of the idea, because now we're going back to the Tenerife, going back there in the end of September. So I was planning on getting a GoPro, and because we want to do a lot of the adventure stuff. So I was going to get a GoPro and record all that. So, oh, look at this bell end. Knew he was going to do that. And let me go know what you guys think, because I remember in the video a while ago I was actually saying that I'm interested in doing that, but I've been toying with the idea more and more. I'm kind of like, fuck it, I should really just do it, get it over with. Because I actually done a vlog. I was in the car because it was pissing rain, but you know, I had the phone set up and all. It actually turned out like well, but I was talking, doing an actual face reveal, but I was just nonchalantly just talking like normal vlog, and I was just watching it back. I was like, that is not the way I want to do a face reveal, you know, sitting in a fucking car on a bike channel. So I was like, scrap that shit, scrap it. And then with the whole potential stuff of moving on with the bike reviews and all, could be a bit better with showing my face in them and talking and, you know, a bit more personal. But I don't know. Again, I'm playing with the idea. Let me know what you guys think. Ooh, the wind's going in my fucking back. But yeah guys, like that's the video. Hope all of you enjoyed. Like, comment and subscribe. I'll talk to you on the next video.